Hello everyone, welcome to CUET Current Affairs episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, when is Purple Day observed? Option A, 15th March. Option B, 20th March. Option C, 24th March. Option D, 26th March. The correct answer is option D, 26th March. Purple Day is observed annually on 26th March to raise awareness about epilepsy and support those living with the condition. Next question is, what technology does the government aim to use for disaster management under the bill? Option A, manual monitoring. Option B, AI-based real-time monitoring. Option C, satellite surveillance. Option D, drone-based monitoring. The correct answer is option B, AI-based real-time monitoring. The government aims to transition from manual monitoring to AI-based real-time monitoring through the bill for better disaster management. Next question is, where is India's first indigenous MRI machine set to be installed? Option A, Fortis Healthcare. Option B, All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Option C, Apollo Hospital. Option D, Tata Memorial Hospital. The correct answer is option B, All India Institute of Medical Sciences. The first indigenous MRI machine will be installed at AIIMS, New Delhi by October for trials. Next question is, who has been appointed as the full-time member of the NITI Aayog? Option A, Rajiv Gauba. Option B, Amitabh Kant. Option C, P.K. Sinha. Option D, Rajiv Kumar. The correct answer is option A, Rajiv Gauba. Former Cabinet Secretary Rajiv Gauba has been appointed as the full-time member of the NITI Aayog. Next question is, which of the following crops is not one of the 9 that dominate global crop production as mentioned in the FAO report? Option A, maize. Option B, rice. Option C, cassava. Option D, apple. The correct answer is option D, apple. The 9 crops that dominate global crop production include sugarcane, maize, rice, wheat, potatoes, soybeans, oil palm fruit, sugar beet, and cassava. Apple is not one of them. Next question is, which country is co-hosting the inaugural edition of the 𝗖𝗨𝗘𝗀𝗲 exercise with India? Option A, Kenya. Option B, Tanzania. Option C, South Africa. Option D, Mauritius. The correct answer is option B, Tanzania. The maiden edition of the 𝗖𝗨𝗘𝗀𝗲 exercise is being co-hosted by India and the Tanzania People's Defense Force, TPDF. Next question is, as of November 2024, how much gold has been mobilized under the Gold Monetisation Scheme, GMS? Option A, 10,000 kilograms. Option B, 20,000 kilograms. Option C, 31,164 kilograms. Option D, 50,000 kilograms. The correct answer is option C, 31,164 kilograms. About 31,164 kilograms of gold have been mobilized under the GMS as of November 2024. Next question is, what percentage of global warming to date is attributed to black carbon and other superpollutants? Option A, 10%. Option B, 25%. Option C, 50%. Option D, 75%. The correct answer is option C, 50%. The study found that black carbon, along with other superpollutants, is responsible for nearly half of global warming to date. Next question is, where has Singapore made history by installing an art installation 7,000 meters beneath the ocean? Option A, Mariana Trench. Option B, Great Barrier Reef. Option C, Caribbean Sea. Option D, Mediterranean Sea. The correct answer is option A, Mariana Trench. Singapore made history by installing an art installation 7,000 meters beneath the ocean near the Mariana Trench off the coast of Japan. Last question is, how often does Saturn's rings align perfectly with Earth's line of sight, making them nearly invisible? Option A, every 5 years. Option B, every 13 to 15 years. Option C, every 29.4 years. Option D, every 50 years. The correct answer is option B, every 13 to 15 years. Every 13 to 15 years, Saturn's rings align perfectly with Earth's line of sight, making them appear nearly invisible. Now it's time for practice question. In which state will the construction of the Kukrel Night Safari and Adventure Park commence? Option A, Uttar Pradesh. Option B, Rajasthan. Option C, Tamil Nadu. Option D, Madhya Pradesh. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.